Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how you can root your Galaxy Tab A 10 inches. You can see it's One UI 3.1 and Android 11 and security patch 2021. So you can see it's already rooted, Magisk installed, and you can check root checker, it's rooted successfully. So let's start the video how to root. First of all, we need to unlock bootloader. For that we need to turn off our tab and put it in download mode. For that you need to press volume up and down and plug USB cable. As you can see, our tab is off and I am going to press volume up and down and press USB cable, and you can see it's now in download mode. So here you can see long press volume up to unlock bootloader. So I just keep press volume up for some time and then again it's asking for permission. Yes, volume up, and that's all. Now our tab bootloader is unlocked and you can see this exclamation mark over here. Don't worry about it, it's saying tablet bootloader is unlocked and flam. And I just make it fast forward for you. It will take up to 10 minutes to start up. So sit behind, be calm. When it start up, I will tell you how to do next process. So wait for to finish the process. So that's all. Now our phone is started up. Now select language English and set up your tab. Then we will do our next process, which is to unlock OEM in developer mode. So I am just going to set up it first, then I will tell you how you can enable OEM unlocking. That's very important. Without OEM unlocking you cannot root. So this is very important step. So keep watching, don't skip the video, just wait. I am just set up my tab first, then let you know how to enable OEM unlocking. And there is precaution. If you want to root your device, please do it at your own risk. If you don't know how to root and what's the risk in it, it may be brick or maybe hang on logo. So if you don't follow the instructions, it may be hang on logo and you need to reflash your mobile. So be aware of that. I am not responsible for any loss of data or even brick your mobile. So do it at your own risk. So as you can see, it's going to set up, skip, and next. Now it's almost done. Our bootloader is unlocked. That's also very important. Now we need to go to our tab. Wait a second. Now our mobile is set up completely and we need to go to the settings and then click on about, then software information, then 7-time build number, and we need to enable developer mode. So just go back and see developer mode is enabled. Yes, developer mode is on. And here you can see OEM unlocking. As you can see, there is no OEM unlocking. So we need to connect our tab with Wi-Fi first, then we need to update software, then we need to click on only update software, then it will show the OEM unlocking. So just connect Wi-Fi and then go back again, and here we need to click on software update, this one, and now click on download and install, and it will register the device. we don't want to completely update, but we just need to click on it to ensure that it's connected with the download and install, so it will show the OEM unlocking. And now just go back, it's already done I think. Just go back again and check OEM is there or not. It's showing something here, option. Oh, go back, there is no OEM unlocking, so I need to go back again and click one more time on download and update, and now check again. There is no OEM unlocking, so don't worry, try it 2 or 3 times, so it will be available. So I just again go back to software information, here about software update, and click again download and software, and now I just click here, everything will okay. So just go back again, and now I check again developer option. So you can see here OEM unlocking is enabled, and you can see this. So now just go back to download mode, and our tab is bootloader is unlocked and OEM unlocked. So you can now put it in download mode and flash the TWRP. So just need to download mode. For that, press volume up and down and plug USB cable, and this will let you go to download mode. As you can see, now we are in download mode. Just press volume up one time, and now you are in download mode, and you can see FRP lock off, OEM off. It must be off, both of these must be off, OEM off and FRP lock off. Then you can flash TWRP from Odin, otherwise it will stuck. So you need to confirm that both of these turn off. Now we need to go to our PC and open Odin. From here I have already Odin, so I just turn it on. As you can see, our device is connected. The blue mark shows device is connected. Now I select from here TWRP. These files are attached in the description box. You can download it from there. So I just go to the specific folder, this one, and TWRP selected, this one TWRP, and that's all. Now we need to press on flash button, and here I turn off auto restart in the option. So just click on the flash button. Now it's flashing TWRP. That's all. Pause. Now we go to our tablet, and here you can see it's here in the download mode because we turn off the auto restart. So we need to force a restart now. Just press volume down and power button together for some time. As you can see, just power button and volume down. Keep pressing. When screen goes off, immediately press volume up and power button together again, and this will let you go to the recovery mode. As you can see, TeamWin logo appears. Now slide right, click on the wipe button, format data, click here, right here yes, and OK. This will wipe out all data, and then go back again. Now click on install. My tablet already connected with PC, so I just need to copy one file in it. So we go to our PC here, and I just adjust this one and click my computer, and here tablet, open tablet, and here we need to copy multi-disabler, and now go back to our tablet and click one more time, select storage. Here click internal storage. Here you can see multi-disabler, click on it and slide right. This will install, and that's all. Now go back again and click on the wipe data. Here click on format data, write yes, click OK. Now click back, go back again and click on the install button. Then we need to go connect with PC again and put one more file here in our tablet, which is Magisk. So I am just going to my PC. I just set the screen here, and you need to copy that file Magisk in the tablet here. And now we need to install the Magisk, and click on the select storage and internal storage. Here is the Magisk. Now slide right to install it. This will take a little bit time, and as you can see, it's done. Now we need to go back again, and here we need to click on the reboot button, this one, and click on the system, and that's all. Now it will take 5 to 10 minutes to restart, so be calm and sit behind. It will take a little bit time, so don't worry about it. Our tab is started up successfully, and if it's stuck, then you need to repeat the process. So, and if your tab is hang on logo, so you need to reflash it with the same binary. So this is the latest binary. I just fast forward it so we can finish it fast. So if you are new at my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. As you can see, our tab is started up successfully, and now we need to set up it, and I will tell you what to do next. So I am just going to set up it. Just start button, I selected English, next. I repeat again, do not skip video. If you skip video, you can leave any step and it may be hang on logo. So this is very compulsory to watch video step by step. So we need to set up it. As you can see, our mobile is going to set up. Just click on next, and it will take a little bit time. And if you do root successfully, please mention in comment box which binary and which date you did, so other people can also get help. As you can see, this tablet have Android 11 and One UI is 3.1, the latest UI. This is a little bit taking time over here, so just wait, skip. Now our tablet is started up successfully. The first of all, we need to enable OEM, because if you turn off your mobile, it may be go back to the custom binary blocked. So we need to enable OEM so we can restart our tablet anyway, no problem. So I am just going to, as you can see, Magisk Manager available here. Now click on the setting button and go to about and software information. Now click on the build number 7 times and developer options, and here you can see OEM is unlocking and now our tablet is safe to restart, no problem at all. Now there is one step left, so follow the video. Here we need to click on the Magisk manager and it will ask for the Wi-Fi connection, so we need to connect our tablet with the Wi-Fi. So I am just going to connect it with my Wi-Fi because it need to download one more file. So here I give my password to connect it with Wi-Fi. Now I go back and click on the Magisk manager, and here it's saying to download one file, so click on the OK button and it will automatically download the file and install it. Give the permission here, just give it to permission to install and just go back and install it. It will take a little bit time, so wait for to finish the installation. Do not cancel it. Sometime it take some time, so wait for it to finish. Just wait, it will take few more seconds, so we wait for to finish it. Then I will tell you how to check it's rooted or not. We need to download root checker so we can check it afterwards our tablet is rooted or not. So it's installing, and finally it's installed, and you can see there is a logo changed, and I just opened it and it's asking for additional. No need to install additional settings, so just go to the file manager and I have root checker here. I just install the root checker, so we confirm that it's rooted successfully or not. So I just open the root checker and click OK. Click get started. Now click here to verify root, and it will ask for the grant, give grant, and you can see it's saying congratulations, your tablet is rooted 100%. Now you can use it freely, and you can also check here Android One UI version is 3.1 and Android version is 11, 1st June 2021. Thanks.